The Tesla Bot is a humanoid robot unveiled by Tesla. Simulating emotions might enhance the bot's usability and acceptance, especially in social or care-related environments. Tesla Bot has a central battery pack located in its torso. It can walk at a speed of up to 5 miles per hour and arms with a 5-fingered hand set up for handling objects, tools, or manipulating controls. Tesla robots can increase productivity and reduce costs. It can handle various tasks in homes and factories. Users might develop emotional attachments or perceive the bot as sentient. Even if it isn't, the Tesla Bot is unlikely to have emotions in the human sense. Its behavior would be governed by pre-programmed algorithms and AI models that simulate empathetic responses if necessary for its tasks. Over-reliance on emotionally responsive bots could affect human social dynamics. If robots like Tesla Bot can simulate emotions convincingly, where do we draw the line between human and machine? The Tesla Bot could redefine how we think about work, companionship, and interaction with technology, but its emotional dimension remains a topic for future development and ethical exploration.